Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just unloaded this awesome find. I got a full set of wheels for 100 bucks. Those are the 07, 08, I think they came in 06 too, factory wheels. I really like these wheels. These are some of my favorite Honda Element wheels, mainly because of the way that the spokes look. And I've always wanted to paint some in either gunmetal black or black, but now the new style, I might want to do them in a bronzy color, kind of like the sparkle wheel, like this one. And I do believe that this wheel will look amazing on the Omni White Pearl with some meaty tires like the like those Falcon, you know, the meaty ones. So that's what we're gonna do. And I got these wheels for 100 bucks for all of them, and they're in excellent condition. Now, we had already bought sensors from OEM sensors, all four of them, because the sensors on the Omni White Pro Element are kind of going crazy. And I knew that I was going to buy wheels, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it factory. And the only reason I went with the factory wheels is because I didn't really want to dish out the 8,000 or 800, 1,000 bucks for a set of wheels, just because I feel like these wheels will still look amazing in bronze. So instead of dishing out the 800, 1,000 for a set of wheels, why not just take a factory set of wheels, new sensors, paint them bronze, and I bet you they'll look amazing. And it'll save you some money. So if you already have wheels like this on your Element, you just pop them off, tape off the tire, rattle can it. The issue here is I can do the rattle can and I know it'll look good, but I'm still debating whether I should do them black, like a gunmetal black, or a black, regular black, or the sparkle gray, or the bronze color, or even the gold. So what do y'all guys think? Give me a suggestion on which color you think will look good. Should we do the like matted black, matted gunmetal, the sparkle gray look, the sparkle gold, or the sparkle bronze? What do y'all think would be a better wheel? Leave a comment, let me know. I might take y'all's feedback and suggestion, because like I said, I wanted to save some money. I'd rather spend money on really good tires than wheels, and I do like the factory look of these wheels, and I do believe that painted in any of those colors, these are gonna look amazing. I did some 03 wheels a long time ago on an 09 that we had, a ruby red, and they look amazing, but we did them in all black, and I rattle canned it. I left there's a video on there where I did them. So I'm either going to do these in rattle can, or I'm going to look for the color code for the sparkle wheels, and then I'm going to go ahead and shoot them with my gun, like my spray gun. So leave a comment on there. What do y'all think, guys? Should we do them in the black, gunmetal, gray, gold, or bronze? Leave your comment. Subscribe, like, and then follow us. Thanks for watching. Stay in your element. Let me know what y'all think.